Once I was woken from a daydream where I had the ability to fly far above the earth, among the heavens. It felt so peaceful being way up high. And I remember waking up disappointed that I was still on the ground, because in order to rise above this world, I have to lay my life down. And when I kneel before you, I am defying gravity. And when I let you take control, then I'm defying gravity. And when I stop giving in to the pull of this world, then I'm defying gravity. And when I'm bruised and I'm torn, I let you pull me up, then I'm defying gravity. Why do the cares of this world weigh so heavy? I get pulled in so many directions. I try to look for the easy way out, but the only way's to your resurrection. So I will lay my life down at your feet. And when I kneel before you, I'm defying gravity. And when I let you take control, then I'm defying gravity. And when I stop giving in to the pull of this world, then I'm defying gravity. And when I'm bruised and I'm torn, I know you pull me up, then I'm defying gravity. And when I kneel before you, I'm defying gravity. When I let you take control, then I'm defying gravity. And when I stop giving in to the pull of this world, then I'm defying gravity. And when I'm bruised and I'm torn, I let you pull me up, then I'm defying gravity. There's a path behind my house that leads to a forest where the trees block the sunlight from shining through. And sometimes I go walking down the long and narrow trails, and the deeper I go, I fear that I won't find my way back to the stream that I'll depend on to show me where I am, to lead me from this unfamiliar land. It's been flowing since time began, and I stand beside the water with my feet upon the sand, and I'm watching as it flows like the blood from his hand, and it gives me the direction that leads me home again. So I will follow the stream. There's a road that I travel that takes me to the city, where the buildings block the sun from shining through. and things move so quickly I can hardly catch my breath. And the faster I go, I fear that I won't find my way back.